Wait, that look too similar.
Did you see that?
No, not at all. What about that one?
Well, of course. Oh, heck, who am I kidding? He's fast.
Yeah, that
I
trick
need some
works way
eyebrows.
better not as a webcam trick. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've never cried.
Something's wrong with you, fish.
My tear ducts, are dried up.
Broken.
I cried.
Have you cried ever in your life?
Yes.
Okay, so they're not broken.
From around 5th grade to 8th grade, I cried every single day.
Every day?
Every single
Why?
day.
Did you get bullied?
No, well, kind of. I don't know. I cried every single day. And then all of a sudden, I just stopped crying and I could never cry again.
So you've used up your cry quotas.
Yeah, for my entire life.
5th to 8th.
Decide.
Look at this
They're
mess.
both okay. I don't like the messaging behind Little Mermaid.
Wouldn't you
It's
think
like I'm just going to
my
leave everything
collection
behind to
complete?
chase after this dude who I've never met before. She's
She wants
basically
to
a
be
stalker.
human.
She's
She
basically
wants to be a human.
so she It's like she's having like a green card marriage, right?
Oh, she's like, hey.
So I'm just gonna marry you so I
man,
can be a
want some
human.
legs. So I'm gonna marry this guy.
Yeah, basically.
Voila, there's trees and a pig. Oink oink. Don't kill the pig. Oink 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 oink. Here's my sword. Pork chop. Nom nom nom. Give me half a heart. No big deal. But yeah. I only use the fly hack for or fly mod for getting up there really, and that thing right there as you can see. But
No, it doesn't have to be like this! What? 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 Oh my god. God!
I'm not very familiar with Lil Yachty. So stop being so violent. I like how there's an Australian news article about me being violent, and in the tweet that's blowing up, people say I beat Janet on a regular basis, and that's why she's so afraid of me. I don't beat anyone. The only thing I beat is my meat and opponents in Hearthstone. Yeah, I can be real here.
1.62 mil views right now, dude. I've never seen Yachty. I don't know how do you say it. Don't clip it. No, he's gonna hate me. He's never gonna want to play with me. It's like Alec all over again. Yachty. Oh. Aww, thanks. Thanks, Dee. That's really sweet. It's this, I swear. I usually don't randomly burp like that.
Shout out to the campfire and Whirly for buying.
Be my friend! No, of my roommates. I can't put my finger on it. It reminds me of my old roommates. I don't know why. Interesting. Not that they look like it. It's like something they would think is really cute, or maybe it's like another, like a honey type of thing, you know? Both of them, Leslie or Kibby. I think of this and I think like they would like this card.
Pekka is like a literal angel on earth.
Yeah, so like she showed me some whispers she got on Twitch where they just like straight up trash her. You're not talented. You don't deserve to, to have viewers. You don't have viewers because you're in the offline house. You don't have viewers because you're friends with Lily. And yeah,
I will literally kill them.
I would kill them too if I could. I mean, I would not.
Glad it's not on my channel.
I would banish them to my farm. To my viewer farm, okay. I understand the trash talk. Like my friend that I mentioned before, like I would go up to our opponent and say, like, "Man, your play was awful. Whatever. You're just
your play was awful.
Player.
That's really what your trash.
Yeah, your game, your whatever, your macro skills,
Hello.
your micro skills.
Your
it's
macro
it's
skills
absolute
and
trash.
play is awful.
Yeah,
it is.
I don't know why my
below
friend
average.
resort to that stuff when I can like trash his gameplay, which is what I. Have you ever felt like you were a leech by collaborating with someone when you guys were smaller? Like, were you scared of?
I was never small. That's the. Was I ever a smaller streamer in a duo stream? Twitch loves it when a guy plays with a girl. Let me tell you that now. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like,
true.
playing with a girl, this shit is top-notch quality. Interaction with females, this is the stuff I live for.
Ew.
In your finals entry, I am disqualifying you. Sorry about it. There's gonna be judges watching this, and I don't want you to show too much of me in an unflattering light.
So innocent, I pray for all your love. Boy, your love is so unreal. I just wanna reach and touch you, squeeze you. Somebody pinch me. And this is something like a movie. I know how it ends, boy. I fell in love with Edison.
Dude, whenever I got...
Do you guys have room in your squad?
Yeah, join. I invited you.
I don't want to step on any toes or anything.
I kind of prefer if you step on my toes. Because, well, actually, no, I don't. I don't like being stepped on.
Do we have a fourth?
Where's Pokey?
She's got commitments.
Arya.
Or should I do surprise? Is there anything you don't eat?
Yeah, you can actually.
Yeah, I'll make it a surprise.
Gonna surprise her?
Not like this.
Jeremy.
It's probably gonna be a terrible surprise.
Just Janet.
Don't worry. Oh no, not like this.
Jeremy, I don't like it when you share these things with other people. I'm gonna surprise her.
Oh.
Hello? Fine. Fed.
Yeah.
Do you like surprises?
I love surprises. What kind of surprise we got today?
I had a nightmare. I mean, it was good at first. So, like, Toast and I, we were playing A Way Out, but it felt like we were in A Way Out. So we were playing it. Then all of a sudden, he's like, okay, I gotta go. I think I had like a meeting with Offline TV or something. So then he's like, I trust that you could finish this yourself and get to the point to yourself or something like that. I don't know. It was really weird. And I was like, okay, sure. So then literally, it was so frustrating because the point I was at, I had to get to like this other point, but to get there, even though they're like next to each other, I had to like go all the way around just to get there. Or I could illegally just and take a shortcut. So I took a shortcut, and then the next thing you know, I'm getting chased by the popo, and I had to hide from the popo, and then I was a wanted person.
What's thick? THICC.
Thick is what you would describe. It's like a compliment, like you see a girl, and then like, or not even a girl, like anyone, right? And then they have like nice big childbearing hips. Then you go, damn, she thick. Or damn, they thick. Like thick. Dude, thick. Julie, are you understanding me right now?
Like big
booty.
Big butts?
Like it's a compliment. It's like they're thick in like a good way. Like let's say let's say you're checking out a girl, okay? And she has a really big butt, but it's like she's like nice and curvy, right? And the butt's really nice. Then you would call her, oh, she's thick. Do you understand? It's like a compliment.
So then who are they calling? Are they calling me thick?
No, they're not calling you thick. No. So there's for example, Fed and Pokey, right? Their ship name, because a lot of people ship them together, it's Folky.
They're really creative with these names.
Yeah. So it's like Team Jost, Team Folky. It's like a whole...
So do you have a ship name with Albert? Or wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's called Liberty.